guys! Today's video is going to be a nail stamping video. If the base color that I'm using for this tutorial is the P2 Minute Mani in the color In a Flash. It is a gorgeous bright fuchsia pink. My top coat for today is the I&M Out the Door Quick Dry Top Coat. The stamping plate that I chose for today's design is by Born Pretty. This is their BPL043. I am going to be using the floral design in this plate that you see here. I will link to all of these products down below if I can find them, so definitely check the description box. The stamping polish that I'm going to use today is by Born Pretty. This was in a set. I will try to link to that below as well. My stamper of choice is the Queen stamping set. I got this at Walmart. They do no longer carry it in this specific set. I got it clearanced out, and unfortunately they just don't carry it anymore. You'll need a cotton pad to clean your stamping plate. You will also need nail polish remover. You can use 100% acetone, but I don't prefer to use that. I just used a random Walmart polish remover that I have, and this little container is from Dollar Tree. You can hopefully find one at your store. So the stamping design, as I said, we're going to use this design in the image today, or on the plate today. I'm going to go in with my stamping polish in white. We're going to apply that to the image as you see here. You're going to take your scraper and go ahead and scrape the product off of the image plate. Roll your stamper over top as you see here, and then you will get this image that's picked up. But you can also see there's a little bit on the left-hand side of this stamper here, and your lint roller will come in handy for this. You will take the lint roller, you can use Scotch tape as well, and roll over the polish that you do not want on your stamper. And then you're going to go ahead and use your stamper, position it as shown here. You're going to press down and wiggle the stamper back and forth. You're going to rock that stamper back and forth just like you see here. Rock it gently back and forth to distribute as much of the stamping image as possible. And there you go. You're going to go in with your lint roller after you stamp and clean it up as seen here. You need to get off all that extra polish, so I recommend doing that after each time. Go ahead and also go in and clean up your stamping plate after each image is stamped using your cotton pad and nail polish remover. You need to do this after each stamping design is put on your nails. If you do not do that, the polish will dry and be very, very difficult to get out. Hi guys, we are back with the finished manicure. This is what it turned out to look like. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.